Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color tools. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a hammer. Then a screwdriver. The third tool is going to be a wrench. And finally, I draw a saw. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the hammer gray. Then I use green, blue, and some brown. For the screwdriver, I use gray, then orange, and red. I color the wrench purple, and yellow. Finally, I colored the saw aquamarine. I use gray. Fantastic! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.